This newspaper tries to bring to its readers the truth and nothing but the truth. Full stop. We are sorry to have to trouble you, but we notice that you have charged for your catalog item number 463, which you supplied to us on 16th October. Full stop. In your price list, the item is listed at full stop. A credit of is thus due to us. Full stop. This is evidently an error in billing. Full stop. Thank you for bringing to our notice the error in the bill of 16th October for 4 oak chairs. Full stop. We are enclosing our credit note for, and we apologize for the trouble to which we have put you. Full stop. Dear sir, comma, we are glad to know that you wish to be a member of our club. Full stop. As manager of the club, comma, I wish you to feel at liberty to use our facilities until you are elected a member. Full stop. Your name is to be proposed next week. Yours truly, comma, and para. Dear sirs, comma, during the month of April, we propose to increase the prices of a member of the items at present in the catalog. Full stop. The increases rates are necessary because of the higher cost we now have to absorb. Full stop. If your branch is going to issue a new catalog, comma, you should not proceed with it until you have the new prices. Full stop. Please remember that you must not issue your list until we post you the new prices. Full stop. Your truly, comma, para. Dear Miss Black, comma, in April we brought out a new series of history books. Full stop. This series is for use in forms 2 or 6. Full stop. These books solve many problems for the teachers. Full stop. They treat the subject in a bright, practical way, and we think you will agree that the इसको इकट्ठा लिखना है सीरीज and we think you will agree that the series gives a new and better approach to the subject. Full stop. With your present heavy program, the books should enable you to make the greatest progress with your classes. Full stop. If you would care to inspect the books, we should be glad to dispatch copies to you. Full stop. If you would give the books a trial, we know you would be delighted with the results. Full stop. Yours truly, dear Dr. Waters, we are taking the liberty of asking you to address our guarantees on Monday, 29th January. Full stop. Our principal and teachers as well as the graduates, would be proud to have you deliver an address. Full stop. We know that what you would tell us as the principal speaker in our program would be remembered by all our graduates for many years to come. Full stop. We know that you have many calls to speak and that your time is accordingly valuable, but we feel that you will be glad to talk to us. You possibly can. Full stop. We trust that you will be able to. We trust that you will be able to accept. Full stop. Yours truly and close.